Good morning, Miss Sylvia and friends. Now we're gonna present our business plan, Jobs Match. My name is Kevin.
And I'm Caroline.
I'm Edwin.
My name is Nuri Janardo.
Now I'm gonna explain why do we choose Jobs Match. Jobs Match is basically a mobile app that help people to find jobs. That's why we choose Jobs Match as a name. Next slide.
Company summary. JobMatch is a job seeker app that target jobless people and help them to connect with the companies that need workers. User also can find jobs based on their skill, passion, and dreams. We choose to make this app because a lot of people have no jobs, especially during this pandemic. So we hope we can help them find the jobs again through the JobMatch app. Next slide.
Vision, we provide opportunities for everyone to work in their field and increase efficiency and value for job seekers.
Our mission company. Our company mission is to change people's life from our mobile apps by helping them find a job according their skill, passion, and dreams through our mobile apps. By our mobile apps, we also can decrease the unemployment rate when the pandemic right now, and we can help people to be more productive and successful in the pandemic right now. During the pandemic, a lot of people get fired, so our mobile apps can get job for them. It also can work from home. Next slide. The purpose. Our company purpose is reduce the problem unemployed and increase the value to provide to job seekers and employers. Not only that, we also provide jobs based on ability and desired job seekers with employers with the employers on the reason for this in the gap information, especially among young people who have just graduated from school, both high school and vocational school. The young workforce relies too much on information models from chat with friends or family. This indicates the difficulty of the workforce to access information about the labor market. Next.
The background of this company is the problem is there's about 9 million people in Indonesia that is unemployed, which is 4% from the population. And the number will continually grow after this global pandemic. And this is a very major big problem. So we provide the solution, and the solution is to help them find and connect with companies that need workers and job vacancies. Uh, and we give the solution through our mobile phone app. Next slide.
Next is about operation plan. First, about fund stage. In running its operation, there will be content creators and influencers promoting and reviewing our mobile app on social medias, so user can know how job match works. And this is also give us user feedback, which is help us to improve our mobile app. And job match design comes with a casual, simple but not boring, and also easy to use. Job match can be accessed from computer and laptop desktop, mobile app, and mobile web. Backstage activities. In running its operation, there will be 2 people working in the marketing department and 3 people maintaining the mobile app and website, 2 people in charge of customer service, 3 people you work in payment and accounting department, and we hire the best employees to run our app and to maintain the quality of our app. Next slide. Next, about location, facility, and equipment. The location of JobMatch is on Jalan Marina Indah 19, Pantai Indah Kapuk, Jakarta Utara. JobMatch will prepare a full air-conditioned room equipped with computers and other equipment that support the workers' job desk, and there is also room for consultation and meeting. We will also give workers a good working environment that support their works. Next slide.
JobsMatch will take profit from users that find jobs through our apps and also from companies that hire workers from our app. And we will charge users 50,000 rupiah for that and 100,000 rupiah for the companies. So for users that want to download our app or search jobs in our apps, will not charge money. But if you found a job or if you want to hire a worker, then we will charge the money. Next slide. So JobsMatch will also contribute in social activities. From the profit that we take, we will take 30% from the company's profit to donate the money and also to help people that are affected by the COVID-19 pandemic, especially during this governor's policy, which is PPKM. We will use official platforms to help and also to donate money to people that are affected from the COVID-19 global pandemic. We will use the Peduli Lindungi and also COVID-19 philanthropy to do our social activities from their app or from their activities. Next slide. Now we will discuss about the marketing analysis. JobsMatch target market is jobless people, fresh graduate, and also people that are searching for jobs. We choose this target market based on our vision and mission and also purpose. And the target market is very big, which is 4% the population of Indonesia, which is about 9 million people. And we will aim and reach the target market mainly by using social media and the internet, because the people in Indonesia spend 5 hours a day on social media and internet. Next slide. Now we're gonna talk about the competitor. Our biggest competitor is LinkedIn. LinkedIn is one of the biggest job seeker company that is here in Indonesia. From the comparison with JobsMatch, we can compare the price. For LinkedIn, they charge about 3.5 million rupiah for the premium membership. But JobsMatch only charge 50,000 rupiah for every user that found a job in the app. So from the price comparison, I think JobsMatch is way cheaper. By saying this, I think in the future, JobsMatch can compete with LinkedIn, but it will need time because LinkedIn is a big and a very famous company. Next slide.
The marketing strategy. We use the target marketing using the influencer and promote and endorse our mobile apps. So the first one, we find the celebgrams or the celebrity to endorse our mobile apps. The next one is job influencer. So we discuss with them how to promote properly our apps, our mobile apps. And then the promotion. Promotion for the first 3 months will get the 30% discount for the people if they got the job. So the example, if they got one job for the price is 100 rupiah. So they get 30 discount. They only pay 70,000 rupiah. And we using the ads, we will use the Facebook ads and Instagram ads. So they probably can find us on Instagram. We choose these apps because a lot of people, around 274.9 million, is inactive on social media and in the internet. They tend to spend a lot of time in these two platforms, which is around 170 hours per month. so we can reach our target market fast and also on a big scale. Next.
And of course, our schedules. The first month, we create our website and application and test our feasibility and front-end needs. After that, we develop and manage and software. By definition, we create and launch the software based with environment and adequate security, which aim to minimize errors and system. The companies take security seriously will find the planning process much more expensive. We need integration in user data, where security, and trust. Of course, this is very important during the conceptualizing phase of application development. We understand the unfelt views of the users. Once the element of the data integration are separated and examined, the developers will have a better idea of the importance, a mature initial concept for us, and right good first step, because when we create application or website, it is important to analyze the direction, goals, and consumer goals of the business that is built before finally being able to move to the next stage. The more mature analyzing is the initial concept, the easier is the business owner to develop. And the second month, we determine the appropriate analyzing requirement should consist of interviews with users and parties involved by the new web application system. In addition, we conduct thorough check and deep understanding of user document, business rules, process in the key determine accurate and required feature and functionally advanced desktop application development and environment. And the server, we configuration management by the system for secure version, control and document tracking, staging server for integration, testing, production, server for the final product development, and requirement test disability tracking tools. For the automatically creation system, regression testing by tools, automatically reporting system, we must reconsider this aspect in making decision, avoiding the risk project failure. And the third of the month, we design and measure every development and feature of the application. Application stability testing their use are ready to release our application and website. But before that, we design our application operating the profit as a good experience. For our application can be applied for the users. We design convenience with a simple concept and we facilitate on the speed of uploading and download, as well feedbacks related to data collection, all which we design with the hope meeting application standard which are ready to operation at any time. The fourth of month, in the day of our application implementation practice, hopefully this application can be used practically. We immediate implement an application around this application so that it can be used everyone who needs work. We hope that job match can be stepping stone for the everyone who needs work and job seekers whom they have skills. We also offer many companies that needs worker who opens the vacancies to work together. We offer easily access to information for job seekers, efficiency, and do not need to spend a lot of money and follow the company regulation as a work ethics code if accepted. And we are also collaborating with the social entrepreneurs, fundraisers as placed to the net, such as kitabisa.com, where part of company income is given to people who have experienced disasters and people who have been exposed to the COVID-19 virus during this pandemic. And we are also helping government in raising money, fund, and perhaps of PPA of workers as task for handling COVID. The 5 months and the last month, we carried out processing of marketing our application and websites for a fee. We tried to distribute every information about existence of application that we very helpful at times at like the hope and everyone could find out so that we as application owners would be happy if could solve our part of the problem as we are now doing is and responsibility and making idea as innovation for the future in solving cases and looking for opportunities to take advantage of empower for the community.
Next, about management team. This is the chart. Kevin Lesmana as president or CEO, Tommy Januardo as a marketing, and Anne Caroline as a designer, Edwin Yonatan as a programmer, and the others we will be open for job vacancies. Next slide.
So this is the capital of our company. It will cost around 400 million rupiah, and the capital will be divided equally, which is divided by 4. Next slide. Here's the link to our mini quiz. You can do it. And thank you for listening.